Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, my name is Griselda. As you can see in this video, I am going to be showing you how I style my curly hair. Most of you guys may or may not know, I have naturally curly hair. I typically don't like to style my hair curly because for whatever reason, I always thought that my hair made my face look really round. But that was because the way my hair was cut wasn't structured to my face. So every time I would style my hair curly, it would just look poofy out this way opposed to just giving it volume. So it definitely would make my face look really round, which is never a good thing. So recently on Instagram, I posted a photo with my hair wet and it was kind of giving you a nice wave to the hair, and I asked you guys if I should wear my hair natural, and the response that I got just from that post was incredible, and so many of you guys are asking me what products I use to style my hair natural. So in this video, I am going to be sharing with you guys all of the products that I use to style my hair natural. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So as you can see, I have a towel wrap on my head, and this I got from Amazon, which I will be linking in the description box below. I really love these because it leaves my hair damp, especially when I know I'm going to style my hair curly. I like doing my makeup first and then just keep my hair wrapped. So we're gonna go ahead and take this off. You can also get these at Home Goods. I think they're a little bit expensive at Home Goods because I bought one, I think it was like almost $7. And on Amazon, you get, I believe, 3 for like $15. So you're getting a little bit more for your money. Voila! So this is what the towel looks like. It has a button and then a little elastic which clips on here, which makes it super easy. So the first thing that I do, usually I just kind of run my fingers through my hair, kind of like this. When I know I'm gonna be wearing my hair naturally curly, I don't like to brush my hair because sometimes it removes the curl from my hair. So we are just gonna run our fingers through it and just make sure that there's no knots. So then what I like to do, I like to start adding the texture back to my hair. So I crunch it up, crunch it up. So the first step that I do when it comes to styling my hair curly, I apply a little bit of this Miracle Leave-In Plus Keratin by It's a 10. This has been my holy grail for the last 10 years. I've used this religiously for 10 years. So here are some of the reasons why I love using this leave-in conditioner. It replaces lost protein, protects the natural keratin in hair, protects against heat, which is very important, restores hydration balance, detangles, defreezes, and adds shine. You're getting all of these benefits in one bottle. There's a lot more, but these are some of the reasons why I love using this. So I like to spray this all over my hair. I actually apply a lot of that product at the tip, and I put a generous amount of this product. So once I've sprayed that all over my face, what I like to do is I like to just scrunch up my hair. So I like to do this for about a minute and just kind of warm up the product into my hair. And I also like to work it into the root of the hair. And this is gonna give you a little bit more volume, because who here struggles with having curly hair, but then by the end of the day, it just looks like mwah. I know I have struggled with that, but I'm gonna show you guys how you can prevent that from happening. And another thing that I like to do is I constantly like to switch my hair from side to side because you're adding so much volume when you're doing that. Next, what I like to do is I like to grab this Numi. This is the Root Work. It's a root lifter, which I absolutely love. I used to use a powder form, which I really liked, but I found that it got really messy because it would leave my hands really sticky. But this one, it says, uplift your look and infuse your hair with full body volume and powerful lift without any film, flakiness, or stiffness. Apply lifter in sections to clean damped hair directly to the root. So I like to spray my hair in sections. You part it. Just work it in the areas where I know I want the most volume. And then I put my hair to the front and then just spray the back of my hair. Usually where I like to focus the root lifter is in this area because that's where I want the most volume. So then I just go in and massage the product into my hair. And the reason why I like to scrunch up my hair so much because I'm warming up the curl with the heat of my hand because I'm not going to be using a blow dryer. I try to stay away from using any type of heat when I apply so much product in my hair because I don't want to damage it. So I just continue massaging the product into my hair with my hand, keeping the natural curl that way. So usually when I wear my hair curly, I don't like using any hairspray, any mousse, any gel, just because most of those products do leave my hair really crunchy and looking really crispy, and I don't like that. I've never liked that look. I want my hair to look really bouncy and really healthy still. So I try to stay away from any of those products, but I came across the Way Soft Mousse. I really love using this because it doesn't make my hair crunchy at all. It keeps its curl and it keeps its bounce without giving you that crunchy look. So we're gonna go ahead and shake this really well, and then we're just gonna apply just this amount, and then we're gonna start at the tip of the hair. And I love the way that this mousse smells. So one of the tricks that I like to do is I like to pinch the hair up here and then scrunch it up like this. It gives you that nice lift. And whatever is left on my fingertips of the mousse, I like to massage it into the root of my hair. And also, if you really like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're also not subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you get notified every single time I upload, because I don't even know who I am. When I started my channel, I was like, I'm not gonna do any hair tutorials. No way. I'm just gonna stick to makeup, and look at me. I think I have like 4 hair tutorials now, and this one is one that was like really highly requested. So I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna do another hair tutorial. So make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. So next I'm going to be using the It's a 10 Miracle Styling Serum. This is another product that I use every single time I style my hair, whether it's straight or curly. That and the leave-in conditioner by It's a 10. These two are my go-tos whether my hair is curly or straight. And before I forget, I also have a discount code with It's a 10. You get 10% off. I will also make sure to link that in the description box if you guys want to go ahead and try any of their products, or if you already have tried any of their products, let me know how you like it, because I swear by these products. I'm just letting you know that once you try it, you guys will absolutely fall in love with these hair products. But we're gonna go ahead and do 1 pump of this all over the hair. And the benefits to this one is it adds shine, control-free, seals the cuticles, nourishes the hair, no buildup, resistant to humidity, which is one of the main reasons why I love using this when I style my hair curly. Smooths the hairline, protects color, and it's alcohol free. So we're gonna go ahead and work that into the hair. And again, I like to focus the product at the tip of my hair as well, because I don't want my tips to look really dry and the rest of my hair looking really nice and bouncy. And this is also optional. You don't have to do this, because I feel like this is enough to like hold your curl. But I do love using the Elanette Satin. This is the extra strong hold. It doesn't leave your hair crunchy at all. I've talked to you guys about this in my last hair tutorial, where it keeps the hold, but it just kind of disappears when you brush it out, which I love. I'm not gonna put this on, but I just wanted to share that with you guys. If your hair is a little bit more stubborn and you want the hair to hold a little longer, you can also do the Elanette Satin Hairspray by L'Oreal, and it's literally life-changing. You guys definitely need to try that hairspray. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have used it, what your thoughts are, and if you have used any of these products, I would love to know, and like what works for you, what doesn't work for you, or if you think there's anything else that I need to style my hair curly. I'm just gonna let this air dry just for a little bit, and I'll be right back. All right, everyone, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below, and let me know if you think I should wear my hair like this more often. I definitely really like how my hair looks now. Before it didn't have any structure, and now it does. So it doesn't make my face look round, but I really like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.